Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all you drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing the S90 drone against the drone with camera. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. When it comes to drones, capturing breathtaking aerial shots is a top priority. The S90 drone features a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to enjoy real-time live video from a bird's-eye perspective. You can even store and edit footage directly from your iPhone or iPad. On the other hand, the drone with camera also boasts an HD 1080p camera with adjustable angles of up to 90 degrees. The upgraded hover system and optical flow positioning technology ensure stable shots. Plus, it offers Wi-Fi real-time transmission for quick sharing with your loved ones. Drones are not just about capturing great shots, they're also about having fun. The S90 drone offers multiple control options including remote control, app control, voice control, and even gravity control. With more than 10 professional stunts and features like 360 degrees flips, circle flight, and trajectory flight, this drone provides an immersive experience. Similarly, the drone with camera provides user-friendly features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. It also offers smart app control, allowing you to define flight routes, use voice control and gesture selfies, and enjoy various functions like 360 degrees flips and gravity sensing. Flight stability and portability are crucial factors to consider when choosing a drone. The S90 drone features stable flight with full guards, making it perfect for kids and beginners. It also has altitude hold, allowing for high-quality pictures, and 3 speeds to cater to different skill levels. Additionally, its foldable design makes it compact and portable, and it comes with 2 modular batteries for up to 26 minutes of flight time. The drone with camera is also user-friendly, with features like altitude hold and a lightweight design that allows you to take it anywhere. It offers approximately 25 to 30 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. Based on online reviews, the S90 drone is highly recommended for its easy-to-use interface, enjoyable flying experience, and impressive camera quality. On the other hand, the drone with camera is praised for its user-friendly features, stability control, and affordability. And that concludes our comparison between the S90 drone and the drone with camera. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your preferences and needs. Remember to check the links in the description below to find the best deals and current prices for these drones. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.